last time you did this, you lost. That was your throw.
Grow up.
No, you grow up. Stop doing the same goddamn washed out ban that doesn't ever work.
You didn't tell me not to ban.
Gambit is the strategist that's been in the game the least amount of time. It's not a viable ban. Like, legitimately, you have stated to me that you hated me because of my Jeff. By the way,
Oh, you're rage baiting.
that's why I remember you, because you said something about how I play Jeff against you.
You're rage baiting. I feel you. Alright.
Wonderful.
It's just one
You
loss,
gave up
bro.
from the start. That's called throwing.
Like, this is why
You don't get to sit here and say, "Oh, I'm not gonna play because of DPS Jeff. I just rather surrender." Oh, you're a baby. Grown-ass man. I'm not gonna play because of DPS Jeff.
Because I only did one
Doesn't matter.
super
I have no
level.
kills because my team's camping spawn. All I